Hello everyone, Elijah here, and let me welcome you to another video about financial anatomy, the place where you can take control of your financial destiny. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the Cash App. Now, some of y'all may know that the Cash App has a little feature called Boost. For those of y'all that don't know what Boost is, that's just another way of saying that, hey, you'll get a discount if you use the Cash App debit card. Certain companies will give Cash App debit cards a discount based on whatever deals they've worked out on the back end. The key ingredient that you need to get this discount though is a Cash App debit card. So if you don't have that, you want to check out the how to sign up for Cash App and get your free debit card before watching this video so that you can have the card to take advantage of in the first place. But with that being said, let's go into the boost function. So as you see on the screen here, you see that I got a boost or a discount for It's So Vegan, 15% discount. The way Boost works is you get that discount if you spend with a certain merchant. That was one exception where you just had to spend money using a debit card in general. I don't see that really happening on a recurring basis. That's probably something that Cash App has just for when you first spend money. So I wouldn't expect that necessarily all the time. But you can take a look at what deals they have going on inside the Cash App before you purchase anything. That way, if there's something that has a discount, like let's say somewhere you shop or Starbucks or using Doordash, then you could potentially get a discount off of something that you were going to spend money on in the first place. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get this discount in your Cash App, and you'll see me order Doordash and get a 10% discount. So let's get into it. So first we'll need to open the Cash App up. So we're opening the Cash App, then you'll click on the card in the bottom, that's your debit card, and you'll see that there are various boosts that are being offered, like GoPuff, Go, some of this stuff I don't even know about, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, the PlayStation Network. I'm gonna have to do that later. But we're gonna use DoorDash for this video. So you see 10% off, it expires in 7 days, has minimum, maximum purchase, you can see there. We're gonna go ahead and click on Add Boost. And then boom, that boost has been added to the debit card. So if I use that debit card to buy something off of DoorDash, then I'm going to get that 10% discount. But first, we want to make sure there's actually money on the card to pull from. So I'm going to add some money to the card. So on this screen, I'm going to add cash because I want money in the account. So I click on Add Cash. And then I'm going to click the 3 dots because I'm going to add $30. I don't see any other interval. So click on the dots, add $30. Click add $30 and then bam, the money's been added to my account and it can be used to spend on the Cash App debit card now. Keep in mind that whatever card you have linked to your Cash App, you want to make sure it's not blocked, otherwise it won't go through. And if you already have money in your Cash App, well, you can skip that step. So I'm not going to turn this into a how to order off a DoorDash tutorial. If you want to see that, feel free to check out a video I've done for the rideshare guy. But I'm just going to go to my recent orders. I'm going to reorder something I ordered in the past, which is the Impossible Burger. So I'm going to click on reorder. Then I'm going to click on continue. And here's a very important part. You want to make sure that whatever discount you want, you need to pay using your Cash App debit card. So I'm going to update my information so that it has the Cash App debit card information. I'm going to skip this part because I don't want y'all to see that for obvious reasons. Then I'm going to place order, and it's processing the payment right now. And bam, the payment has been successful. DoorDash has confirmed it, and it'll be at my doorstep within the hour. And you can see on the screen that the Cash App is confirming that I've gotten my 10% discount. So let's click on that notification. And I spent $25.47, and that's with the discount applied. So that's pretty awesome. Hold on, this wasn't supposed to be recording right now. And there we have it. You now know how to use the Boost feature on the Cash App. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when new videos come out. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up, it's very much appreciated. If you haven't signed up for a Cash App debit card or just Cash App in general, Hit your friends and family up, see if they have a referral code for you. But if they don't, feel free to use mine. It's in the description, also in the pinned comment. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.